we get. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and watch your children. But more importantly, children, watch your parents. If you look to your right-hand side, you'll see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Indiana Jones is looking for his lost treasure. I don't know why he's looking over there when clearly I am right here. On your left, we have a tiger. They're known for being able to jump up to 30 feet. That's right, folks, 30 feet. But don't worry, we are 15 feet away. Yeah, he'll jump right over us. Up ahead, we have our elephant bathing pool. Go ahead and take out your cameras, folks. They all have their trunks on. And if you ever wonder what happens if you spend too long in the shower, just look straight ahead. You turn into an elephant. Of course, I want to know I don't shower. Oh, look, everyone. Duck, 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 duck. It's a really, really big duck. Up ahead on our right-hand side is our skipper break room. Looks like there's some monkey business going on. And would you look at that? They left the lights on again. We'll never get it to turn over now. Now if you look to your left-hand side, look nice and close to the bamboo. Nice and close. You will see absolutely nothing. There's nothing in there. We have Schweitzer Falls. Don't worry, folks. We'll go over that later. Welcome to the Nile River, where it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you are in. You're in a boat. You are in a boat. If you look to your left-hand side, you'll see an African elephant. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. You will never see one again. If you look to your right-hand side, you'll see that is an aardvark, folks. That is most definitely an aardvark. Up ahead, we have giraffes and canoes and zebras and lions. And look at the lion looking over that sleeping zebra. He looks dead tired. You know, I talked to Skipper Felix this morning and told him not to mess with the rhinos. They always get their point across. Up ahead, we have our hippo pool. A fun fact about hippos is they wiggle their ears when they're happy to see you. It might also be when they want to attack. I'll be honest, I did not pay attention in school. Either way, let's go ahead and get out of here. Everyone cover your ears. The clicking really scares them. Up ahead is the best deal you will be offered today. It is 50% off. That's right, folks. 50. You will not be offered it again. It is half off boat tours. Yeah, it's a family business. You know, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. And now the moment you have all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world, the magnificent, the exceptional, the backside of water! Out to eight! Out to eight! Out to eight! A fun fact about the waters here is the fishermen say the fish always bite. I'm sure it has nothing to do with the fact that these are piranha-infested waters. An easy way to tell the difference between a boa and a python is boas have feathers. Now up ahead, we have Trader Sam's gift shop, where the monkeys are going for a world record, spinning around and around and around. And here now coming up to the most dangerous part of our journey today, the return to civilization. If you have enjoyed your exploration of the jungle, my name is Skipper Katie. That is spelled H-E-L-P-M-E. Now it has been real, it has been fun, but I cannot say that this has been real fun. Up ahead on your right is a dock, and up ahead on your left is also a dock. It's what we like to call a paradox. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. You wouldn't want to scratch my dog. And you all have been an outstanding crew, truly a very outstanding crew. But now we need all of you outstanding on that dock. Get out. Sorry, that was mean of me. Please get out. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Friends, we're on the side of the jungle. Go all the way to that back door, please. This is the jungle cruise, not the jungle gym. Watch your head, watch your step. If you can't watch your head, watch your language. The children learn very fast. And a final joke for all my mind readers out there.
Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Do you want the box?